everybody, this is Laurel from the North Raleigh Seed Library, and today we have a treat. You are going to be in Rose Greene's garden, and most of you know Rose because she has given you bunches of plants and shared her just wisdom, her joy, her fierce sense of humor. She is one of the most fun people you could ever hope to meet, and she is one of my closest friends. So enjoy the tour, and if we're lucky, we'll get her on camera. She just had her hair done, so she ought to get on camera. See you in a few minutes. Stay tuned. Okay, it's me again, and introducing, drum roll please, Rose Greene.
Hello.
Show them what you got, Rose.
I got my hosta book.
She's got hosta books. So we've got a cheat sheet, and she's the most organized person you've ever seen in your life.
I keep track of everything that I buy, where I bought it, what it likes, what it doesn't like.
Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? I mean, it's so much better in person. You just, here, I'm just going to walk down and walk back up.
That's my ferns and hosta area.
Now, what is the name of this lime hosta? Because all I got is lime hosta.
Okay, August moon. There are 7,200 officially named registered hostas. And I have 26, so I have a way to go. That guy is August moon. His leaves are a little rounder around the edge.
Okay.
This one I just bought. It's called Coast to Coast, and he is going to get huge.
Now look at this. She's got labels on everything. And the other day she had a fit because I threw all the labels in the trash can at my house.
Yes. So I just labeled them for today. I don't normally label all my stuff.
She doesn't have to. She's carrying a notebook.
All right. This is Francie.
Who is huge.
Yes.
Will you put your hand in front of it so they have a scale?
Yes.
Pretty big.
Francie's pretty big. And Satisfaction up there gets even bigger. I moved it this year, and so it's smaller than it usually is, but it'll get twice that size, width and height.
Does it take being divided very well?
Yes.
Okay, that's
yes.
good.
And I gave away like 5 clumps of it, so.
Everybody's probably got something from Rose Greene in their yard.
Royal Standard, which is an old one, and it's just kind of green, so I kind of stuck them in the back.
Wait, like old variety?
Old variety,
okay.
yes.
All right.
Not old to my garden.
Okay.
This is another one. I have no idea. I could not find when or where I bought it.
All right, so the Jeopardy question is, all right, you guys, if you know what it is, help us out.
That is Seducer. And this guy, I have no idea. He grew next to another one, so I don't know if it's like an offshoot of it, but I could not find in any of my literature what it was. And I tried looking on Picture This, and it just came up with some generic thingy.
So if anybody knows, please put something in the comments. We could use your help. Okay, where are we going now?
Let's see, my next one, that's called Dress to Kill. Just bought it this year, so hasn't started growing, but I guess it's going to get pretty big. And so I gave it plenty of room there. Some hostas are huge, like these guys. Other ones stay little. This one is called Dragon Tails. And I was just reading about it when I was going through these. Needs a little more sun, so I'm going to end up moving him because I want him to get bigger. This is Whirlwind, and it's named because of the way these ends of these kind of twist.
Oh, that's cool.
That's called Fragrant Bouquet. One of my favorites. It multiplies really quickly. I've given away a ton of that also. That, by the way, is the Acerum I got out of your backyard, Laurel.
And then what's the one back here?
That is a Bika drinking gourd, and it's because they're cup-shaped leaves.
What's this little guy hiding?
That is June.
Hi, June.
And I really love that hosta. I think I might move him somewhere where I can see him better. That's Guacamole. All righty. cookie crumbs. That one stays small, so I keep him up front.
Okay.
And then next, that one back there is elegans, and it's never grown very well for me. I don't even think it's ever flowered, so I'm wondering if voles have been chewing at the roots of it.
What do you do for voles?
I'm not telling you. That one's called Hush Puppy, and it is spelled Puppie.
What about these?
That is called Blue Hawaii.
Okay. Oh, that's a pretty leaf.
Yes, it is pretty. Got a little dry on the edges. I just couldn't water enough to keep everything happy. That one I just bought, tortilla chip, and I don't know. The verdict is still out on that one.
Oh, and tell me about the one that I'm trying to get for you so you can try it again. I don't want you to give up on it.
Oh, mouse ears?
Mouse ears.
I cannot grow mouse ears. I don't know whether the voles eat them or what the problem is.
If it's in a pot, do you want to give it another whirl? Or
I might.
Okay, all right.
That's called Dream Queen. This is Aphrodite. And even though it's a plain old green hosta, I absolutely love it because like in September, it gets these tall, fragrant, white flowers that will last for a month.
And then I'm going to look back one more time. This is her collection of ferns and hostas. And I know so many people here are trying to do a woodland garden in their backyards, but I'm telling you what, this is so well done. So here's another hosta. Tell me about it.
It's called Designer Jeans, and it has red stems, but I'm having trouble with it in the ground, so I put it in a pot.
On the sunny side of the garden, tell us about what's going on here.
This area I'm redoing. I just threw a bunch of little dwarf zinnia seeds in there. That's going to be a gorgeous hibiscus once it starts blooming. That pot I bought because I got one of those hydrangeas that are...
Oh, you got a fairy trail?
Yes.
Love those cascades.
And that's going to go in there.
What color?
Pink.
I'm hooked on them.
Yes.
I hate to say it, but I got all 4 colors now and I can't stop.
I put more zinnia seeds in here. That is, I got from the seed library It's a stargazer lily and it's just getting ready to bloom, and I'm spraying the heck out of it with Bob-X because we have a creek going through there, Abbott's Creek, and the deer just love to come in here, and I'm spraying that so that they don't eat it.
Well, you know why. The secret's out. You're a great gardener. All right. Oh, check this out too. I absolutely love this. So she's got like awesome grass, but she took stone and made a path that goes all the way along the edge. And I've seen so many different ways people edge their beds, but this is one of my favorite because it protects the grass and it really does take care of all the traffic, and it just makes everything look so clean and neat. So
I did not do that. My husband did.
Okay, he gets
Give
the
him
credit.
the credit. That's a hibiscus. I got a bunch of dahlias that I got a good bargain on, and I got some rosemary here, and I'm not moving them because I like rosemary. And that's Pugster butterfly bush. Hasn't started blooming yet.
Oh, I just started getting the first bloom. This is the pink.
That I got from Natalie, and that's called a Korean bellflower.
It was beautiful.
I love upside down flowers, you know, bell type flowers. This is a butterfly bush called Evil Ways. It stays that color green. It does not get dark.
Okay.
And it gets purple blossoms. Hasn't started blooming yet, as I said. We get late afternoon sun here. They're pretty calla lilies. And
I believe calla are Adriana's favorites. That and peonies.
There's a little one that she gave me that is just starting to come up. These are bachelor buttons.
Fancy.
Did you see my poppies? My poppies just started blooming.
Oh my gosh. You're going to give Brie Arthur a run for her money.
And over here I just have some hydrangeas, I have to cut this guy back. That's my gardenia. He's just getting done blooming, but I just love him so much.
See how big this is? I mean...
Well, my goal was to try to cover this porch with big plants. And I failed over in this area, but I got 2 more gardenias that are going to grow up and fill that area.
So part where you said failed, I heard you say we get to go plant shopping again.
Oh, yeah.
I don't see it failing that.
Yeah, did you notice I have some empty spots?
Yeah, I did actually, I did. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna take a pause, hang on. Okay, so Rose doesn't want to be on this, so I just want to go ahead and introduce you to Rose's substitute. This is Rose's hosta book, and just because we want to make sure she's well hydrated, we have our waters, and Rose is sitting behind the camera, and I'm just going to ask Rose Substitute a couple of questions. So, first, Rose Substitute, how does it feel to be in Rose's yard as one of her premier plants? What would Rose Substitute say, Rose Greene?
What?
If you were a Rose Greene plant, how would you feel? Would you think that you are the luckiest plant in the whole world? Or, you know, is she a little bit slack in the areas? Give us okay, what are they saying, the young people now? Give us the tea.
Okay, depends on where I was in the garden. I would be really happy in my shade hosta area, not so happy because I'm struggling in the sun areas.
Got you. Is Rose a pretty good plant owner?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
I would have to agree.
I take good care of all my plants.
I like that. So you're in the best house, yard, garden possible. So there you go.
I try really hard to not bring anything home unless I have room for it. But then we go on our shopping sprees, and I see something like, I gotta have that. And Don has already figured out that what I do is dig up something less desirable and take it to the seed library in order to make room for something more desirable.
Do you ever feel like when you're at the seed library, the wind is blowing through your hair as I'm squealing past going to a sale for another plant that I don't need?
It has happened several times over the years.
I want you to know Rose is very gentle with her plants. She takes them out and puts them in pots, and she never yanks like I do. She's very, very kind to her plants.
Not a yanker. If I'm sharing, I usually dig it out and put it in something.
And I want you to know she goes through piles and piles of dirt.
I'd buy more dirt than plants.
And I'm sure she has shared with all of you all. So if you ever want to do, this is just for me, she didn't ask me to do this. If you ever want to do just a nice thing, give Rose a little dirt. You can give her some dirt. She would love it. Oh, man. And honestly, she's been so generous to each of us, and I'm so grateful for not just her plants and not just her advice, but her friendship, because this is something, I was talking to somebody, this is true, I was talking to somebody early this morning, and Rose's name came up, and she goes, well, everybody loves Rose. And then she said, and more than just that, she said, if we put all the people that we know together, Rose is the most loved.
Oh,
and
go on.
That is true. No, that is the most true, because she gives her heart, and in that expression of love, she shares her plants, she shares her knowledge, and we're just so grateful that she's part of the seed library. So there you go. I just want you to know, Rose, she deserves every good thing that comes her way. So there you go. You guys, I'm so, so glad that you watched another episode of our YouTube channel. Please let me know if you want to put a plant, a house plant, I don't know, your dog, put anything on, just put a plant on your dog so that we can keep it related to gardening. And let me make a YouTube channel, or ask me for a link and send me something from your yard or your garden or your dog with a plant on it. So have a great day. Bye.